Want to turn your screen time into cash? Here's how you can make $700 a day watching ads. First, head over to this amazing website where you earn money watching ads from brands you care about. Simply sign up with your name, email, and a password. You'll get a $10 bonus right off the bat. From there, it's easy watch ads and see your balance grow. You can watch up to 5 ads every day, each earning you 54 cents. Now here's the trick. Create multiple accounts using TempMail. With just 5 accounts, you can earn $2.49 a minute. Want that $700 a day? Use your referral link. Share it in Facebook groups like Make Money Online, just 140 signups and you've hit your goal. Finally, withdraw your cash via PayPal, Skrill, or even Google Play gift cards. And that's it. A simple way to make money by watching ads. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online.